YouTubers, today we got a little Suzuki Alto 1 litre variety, and the problem with this is it's not getting the passenger compartment cool, so there's a problem with the AC. It may just be regas. Let's have a look. Hope you enjoy the video. So just running it now to see what we're going to get. It's coming down a little bit. Try and get that in focus. There we go. I mean, to be honest, that should be shooting down there. Looks to be where it's at. 22.76 is going down. Right, well, it's 9:57. I'll give it 2 minutes and then we'll come back and see if it's changed. That's where everything's set at the minute. We'll bang on max. See if that helps at all. No. Well, that's about as good as it's going to get then. So I'm not going to bother coming back in 2 minutes. Let's just get it all hooked up and going. So just have a quick check of the ambient temperature. Oh, don't want to be holding that in my fingers really, do I? I'll give you my temperature. So 25.3. So I did cool it by about around 2 degrees. So yeah, it's a little Suzuki Alto 2013 right-hand drive, so English plated job. So here's your high pressure port. Now the lady said she's never had the aircon regassed since she's owned it. So that's like 11 years. And here's your low pressure port. And these take a tiny amount. I think it's about 370 grams or something. But let's get it hooked up. Emptied. Right, let's connect up the pipes and then we'll come back to it. So that's the high side and low side pipe connected up. Just interested to see how much it's actually got in. I'll come back when it's finished this cycle. So now it wants me to open up the valves, then we've got an idea of how much is in there. Doesn't look too sad, it's just, yes, we've done that. Let's see what's going to recover. So that's going to be a little low. With such a small system, a little low, there's quite a big difference. So we're looking at approximately 100 grams short out of a 370 gram system. So I'll let this carry on and then we'll come back to it. Still doing its thing. So now we'll see if it's going to hold a vacuum. Right, so this is now ready for operation control. So we'll say yes, we're going to do it. Ambient temperature, I think it's about 24. So where were we? Okay, ambient temperature. Sit in the car. Right, it's doing this thing. We'll put that where we had it earlier. Approximately. So ambient temperature, we're making that about 24. Ouch. God, very low, this car. Did he? So I can put this into 24. Hit OK. Turn on the AC. So we've got a 3-minute operation control going on here. Right, so I don't know if I've got any of that. The ambient temperature is set to 24. And this has been gradually coming down, very gradually, 13.9, which is a significant difference from what we were before. Everything is set exactly the same as it was. You know, so not fantastic by any shot. It is still coming down slowly though. Certainly not less than 8 degrees.